The jungle is filled with many unique species, but one stands above the rest: the black panther. A master of disguise, it owes its dark appearance to an interesting genetic mutation called melanism. But what exactly is melanism? And how does a single genetic change transform an average jaguar or leopard into this shadowy predator?
A mutation is a DNA alteration that modifies an organism's genetic information. These changes can affect just one gene or entire chromosomes. Mutations can be beneficial, harmful, or neutral. In the case of melanism, this mutation gives the panthers their striking black fur, an advantage when hunting in the shadows of dense forests.
Normally, jaguars and leopards have spotted coats, a pattern that helps them blend into their surroundings. But in black panthers, this camouflage takes a darker turn due to a mutation in the MC1R gene, one that changes how pigment is produced.
To understand melanism, we must journey deep inside the cells of the black panther. Inside the nucleus, we find the MC1R gene, short for melanocrotin 1 receptor. This gene controls fur color by regulating pigment production. But when a mutation occurs, the process of transcription creates a different message.
Transcription is the first step in protein synthesis. Inside the nucleus, an enzyme called RNA polymerase reads the DNA sequence of the MC1R gene and creates a complementary strand of messenger RNA or mRNA. This mRNA carries instructions to the ribosomes, where proteins are made. In RNA, adenine pairs with uracil instead of thymine. If the DNA sequence reads TAC, GGC, ATA, the mRNA sequence will be AUG, CCG, UAU. Think of RNA polymerase as a copy machine. It takes the original DNA instructions and creates an RNA copy that will be sent out to the ribosome.
The mRNA leaves the nucleus and enters the cytoplasm, where ribosomes begin reading genetic instructions. Here, another type of RNA, transfer RNA or tRNA, helps build a protein by bringing in amino acids.
Each set of three bases on the mRNA forms a codon, which corresponds to a specific amino acid. But due to the mutation in the MC1R gene, the ribosome produces an altered MC1R protein, one that leads to increased production of eumelanin, the pigment responsible for black fur. The ribosome is like a chef following a recipe. The mRNA is the recipe, and the tRNA brings the correct ingredients. However, a mutation swaps one ingredient, changing the final dish.
In animals without melanism, the MC1R protein balances light and dark pigments. However, in a black panther, a point mutation in the MC1R gene increases the protein's activity, which leads to an overproduction of dark pigment. This tiny change alters one amino acid in the MC1R protein, making it more active than normal. As a result, more eumelanin is produced, which darkens the fur further.
This genetic change gives the black panther an evolutionary advantage, making it harder for prey to see them in low light. But even in complete darkness, if you look closely, you can still faintly see the ghostly spots of the jaguar or the leopard beneath all that black fur.
Black panthers aren't the only animals with melanism. This mutation has appeared in different species, from black wolves to black squirrels, proving that mutation can play a crucial role in survival and adaptation.
Genetic mutations, though random, can lead to incredible transformations, whether in the shadows or in the sunlight. The black panther remains one of nature's most amazing creatures, a great reminder of how a single genetic change can bring diversity to the world.
Science continues to uncover the mysteries behind genetic mutations, reminding us that the secrets of evolution are written in the very fabric of life, DNA itself.